MACTRONIC Black Eye Mini is a small and very portable LED torch. It is made from aircraft-grade aluminium, what makes it durable and resistant to external factors. In the box there is a user manual, the torch itself, and a AA battery. Except for a description, the manual contains a warranty card. Despite its compact size, it gives bright 135 lumen focusable light. It has a tactical switch and a clip for more convenient transportation. The flashlight is powered by a single AA battery.